ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम गम गम गणपतिये नमः ओम मंगल परमेश्वरी नमः ओम कामाक्षिताये नमः ओम महापेरिवा नमः ओम साईनाथाय नमः. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my Blissfully Yours Revati Karnan episode number 7. This is a demonstration of my yoga's workout routine every day. This is not my original version, which is very elaborate and it's hour long. I'm just sharing with you a few of my workout things. My entire idea is to make sure like you all have one workout routine for yourself, or I just want to inspire you to have one. Let's get started. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनतु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरि ओम. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. Come to the front of your mat. Surya Namaskara, one demo. Inhale, stretching yourself little backwards. Exhale to the front. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is a relaxing posture where you can relax a little bit. You can pump your palms a little bit, pedal it up, pedal your feet a little bit. Inhale, come front. Exhale, inhale, exhale. This is one set of Surya Namaskara. Now I will be showing you pranayama session. I put my hands in Chin Mudra facing the ceiling. Chin Mudra is the thumb finger and the pointer finger, index finger touching each other like a circle. The rest of the fingers are pointing towards they are stretched out. For Kapalabhati, I inhale deeply and I exhale as fastly and as much as I can. Now I do the same thing with my nasal breathing, nostril breathing. Like I actually put my index finger and middle finger on my palm, and my ring finger and my little finger are straight like this, facing up, and the thumb finger is stretched out. Always my ring finger covers my left nostril and my thumb finger covers my right nostril. After this, I'll do my stomach breathing, chest breathing and head breathing. I'll show you how I do it. Chin Mudra, I take a deep inhalation and deep exhalation. That is stomach breathing. For Chin Mudra, again, it's the index finger and the thumb finger making a circle, or other fingers pointing straight upon your thighs facing the ceiling. This is stomach breathing. Now I keep my Chin Mudra as it is, except for these three fingers which was pointing. I just make a fist like this. This mudra, this is a mudra. I made a fist with my index and thumb finger touching each other. Rest of my fingers are made a fist, and I am putting it on my thighs, and I am going to Inhale deeply and exhale. Now I make a fist. Inhale deeply and exhale. The fist breathing is for the head. This one was for my chest. Now I make a fist. I put it on my belly button. Take a deep breathing. This knuckle should be touching each other. This breathing is for my tummy, my chest and my head. Okay. Now we are done with this. Each of this I do 5 times. 5 times stomach breathing, 5 times chest breathing, 5 times head breathing, 5 times all in all breathing by making a knuckle here and putting it on my belly button. After which I'll be doing my Nadi Shuddhi. For Nadi Shuddhi, you can either have your hands this way or in your Chin Mudra. Same thing again. These 2 fingers go on your palm and you use your ring finger to cover your left nostril and your thumb finger to cover your right nostril. I inhale from my left nostril, hold it for a few seconds. I exhale through my right nostril. I again inhale through my right nostrils. I exhale through my left. This is one set of Nadi Shuddhi. Then the next one is Suryanuloma. For that again I keep my left nostril covered. I inhale through my right nostril. Exhale through my left nostril. This is one round of Suryanuloma. Now Surya Bedin. I keep my left nostril covered for both my inhale and exhale. This is Suryanuloma. Each of this I will do it 5 times. Then I will do Brahmari Pranayama, Makara meditation. I put my hands in Chin Mudra. I roll my tongue, touch my upper palate. I use my thumb fingers to close my ears. And I cover my eyes with the rest of my fingers and say Makara. Makara makes a buzzing bee sound. This is actually very important in healing the upper head parts ailments like migraine, headaches, ENT problem, high issues, ear issues, because it resonates and it creates that reverberation which has a medical property of healing this upper portion of the body. Likewise, Akara can heal the lower leg and the lower parts of the body, and Ukara can heal your middle part, and Makara, as I told you, it's your head part. Once you utter the sound Om, it is inclusive of Akara, Ukara, Makara put together forms the Om sound. Exclusively, I'll make a video talking about the importance, significance and the benefits and how it is connected to the cosmic energy, what happens to your body while when you do home chanting. I'll make a video in future about all that. Omkara can connect with the cosmic energy. It can heal you, it can energize you, it can refresh you, and it can make you it can give you a sense of clarity. So I do 12 rounds of Brahmari Pranayama followed by 21 times Omkara meditation. After which I close my session, like I put my right hand, I make a fist and I pull with my left arm like this. I bend, I put my head to the, before I put my head, I inhale, come forward, touch the ground, thank Mother Earth, get on up. I do the palming to my eyes, roll my hands 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise to give a gentle massage to my eyes. Then I open my fist, look on my fist and say this, my palms. I look at my palm and then I say this slokam. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती कलमूलं स्थिता गौरी adi prabhate karadarshanam, which simply means all the three goddesses reside in your hand. They enable you to accomplish all your daily whatever you're doing, whatever the work you're enduring, they make you accomplish it. So as you're saying this slokam, slowly down the line you will realize it's not you who is doing everything, it's the divine energy that's making you do this. I love to chant this slokam once I'm out from my bed and once I close my session. I think this session with me was enjoyable for you. Please do leave me your comment, like, share and subscribe. I'll be expecting your comments. Thank you all for joining me today. Namaskaram.